everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shantina here. So today I want to talk to you all about the importance of detoxing your hair and your scalp. You know, detoxing is not just for the body. You know what I'm saying? Yes, detoxing from within out is awesome. The one thing that you definitely want to do on a regular. You want to try to detox your body at least every 2 weeks, depending on the type of food that you eat. But we're going to talk about detoxing the hair. So I went online because I wanted to actually read to you exactly what it says about detoxing. So give me 1 second. All right, so the question was posed. Why should you detox your hair? The answer is, our hair reflects the health of our bodies. When we're undernourished or full of toxins, our hair tends to be thin and dull. So you know whatever you put in your body is definitely going to come out in your skin, it's going to come out in your hair, and as you heard, it's going to make your hair thin and dull. So therefore, detoxing is very important, even for that one reason alone. But listen, it goes on to say, if you've used conventional hair care products, then you've exposed your hair to an onslaught of chemical toxins. By doing a hair detox, you're nourishing the scalp and removing the toxin buildup. Even though you're using shampoos that are clarifying, even clarifying shampoos, you're still going to need to do a detox of your hair. Okay, so I like to do, well, it is suggested that you do your detox of your hair at least 4 times a year, and that is like every quarter. There's 3 months in each quarter, so if you just schedule it, you know, every quarter, then you'll be getting the detox that you need on your hair strands. So that's really for people that are doing dyes, adding color, taking away, stripping the hair, any type of chemical keratin treatments, things like that, and just all on product buildup. You want to go ahead and detox your hair strands and your scalp. So normally I like to use like a clay mask to detox my hair, but this time I'm going to use a product that African Pride came out with called Moisture Miracle. It is a Moroccan clay and shea butter detox, and it softens your hair strands. It is heat activated, and it is a mask. It says here that it has no parabens, no mineral oils, no sulfates, and no petroleum. So everything that I'm going to use today is from this same line, the African Pride line, the Moisture Miracle. I'm going to do the detox, I'm going to do a leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to style my hair. So let's get on with adding this product to my hair. So the texture is very creamy. It definitely feels like it's going to be moisturizing to my hair. It has a very clean smell, kind of like salon. It's not sweet, it's not earthy, it's not any of that. It's just plain on clean, which is a pleasant surprise because, you know, sometimes people don't like, you know, fruity smells or even earthy smells in their hair. So this product right here, no smell, just like a salon clean smell. So it says here that this detoxing and restorative clay mask uses the clarifying benefits of Moroccan red clay to remove the impurities and product buildup on the hair. Shea butter replenishes the moisture while strengthening the hair, leaving you with soft, hydrated curls and coils. Exactly. This is exactly what you want this detox mask to do. So let's go ahead and start applying it to my hair. Split my hair in 2 sections. And I'm probably going to split it again about that much. Ooh, very creamy. So go ahead, I'm gonna apply this. It doesn't have any slip, so don't think you're gonna use this to detangle your hair. This is really just adding a mask to your hair, and then you're going to sit up under either a heated dryer, a steamer, or a hot head. And today I'm gonna sit up under my hot head. This product smells so good on the hair. But like I said, it's definitely not a detangler. As you can see, it's definitely coating my hair strands very nicely. And you want to make sure you are applying your detox mask, whether it be a clay mask or a mask like this, from the roots of your hair to the ends of your hair. And you definitely want to pay a lot of attention to the bottom of your hair, because this part of your hair is the oldest part of your hair, the driest part of your hair, the hair that doesn't get, the part of the hair that doesn't get a lot of moisture or oils flowing down to the bottom. So you want to pay close attention to your ends, and you want to make sure that you are getting your product from the root to the tip of your hair strands. I am also going to give myself a nice scalp massage with this product, since it does supposed to detox the scalp also. My hair feels good. It looks good. Let me go ahead and part it again just to make sure I got in between there. Go right there. This side. See, it's definitely not a detangler, but it's a detox. You definitely want to make sure you're getting the middle center of your hair. Seems like we do miss that a lot. So I like to part my hair down the middle and just make sure I am coating that middle section of my hair, which is the driest and I feel like need the most attention. Alright, and I just want to make sure I'm getting it all around the edges. Alright, looks good. Feels definitely coated with the detox mask. Really liking the way my hair feels right now. So normally I would go ahead and add an oil to my deep conditioner just to seal in the moisture, but this is a mask, so I'm not going to add any oil to my hair. I'm just going to go ahead and twist this side up, twist up the other side, and then go ahead and put my plastic cap on and put my hot head on and sit up under my hot head for approximately 45 minutes to an hour. The instruction says just 30 minutes, 35 minutes, but you know what? Since it's a clay mask, I am going to just follow the directions. Okay. I'm going to sit up under my hot head for 30 minutes. Alright, so I just rinsed my hair out. I let the hot head sit on my hair for about 35 minutes. And now I rinsed it out, and let me tell y'all, my hair feels so good. It's first of all, it smells good, okay? And look, it's so clean. It feels so clean, but it doesn't feel like stripped. So the moisture in there and the softness that it says that it's going to give is right on point. I really do like this detox. So it's like if you want to do like a nice soft detox, you don't want to use like a heavy clay, because clay masks sometimes can, definitely not sometimes, all the time, it dries your hair out. But this particular product, it didn't dry my hair out. My hair is soft, shiny, strong. It smells good. My curls are definitely popping up in there. So this is my hair without any product on it. So yeah, that's my thought about this. My hair feels really good. My scalp feels so clean and clear. It feels real light and bouncy. Yes, okay, okay. And this product is not even expensive. I'm gonna leave a description in the description box below of all the products that I used today. So I'm shook. I'm feeling it. It feels good. I can feel the air flowing on my hair. It feels really good. Yo, this feels good. Okay, so let me go ahead and seal in all of this moisture, and I'm going to use the lock method. The products that I'm going to use the African Pride coconut and coconut oil and baobab oil. I don't know how to pronounce all of these oils that they be coming out with, but this is a hydrating and strengthen leave-in cream. It provides intense moisture and helps repair natural coils and curls. All right, and again, this one doesn't have any parabens, any mineral oils, any petroleum, and no sulfates. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Okay, so this one got like a soft creme brulee type of smell, but it's very, very soft. It's not like pungent with a sweet smell, but it does have a different smell than the clay mask does, a different smell than the mask did. It has more of a sweeter smell. So I'm going to see how well this detangles my hair, because I didn't do any finger detangling yet, so hopefully this has good slip. So heavy hand, but this is going to be for the whole section. Probably shouldn't have put that much, considering this is my first time using this product in my hair. Okay, it has a little bit of a slip, but let me add some water. Maybe that'll help. Okay. Okay, yeah, there we go. Product does have some slip in it. Once you add some more water, you can't put it on there with damp hair and try to get a good slip out of it. You won't. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish finger detangling my hair, add the oil, and then I'm going to add the African Pride, the styler, and I think I'm going to do a protective style today, so I'll be right back. And I focus the oil mostly on the ends of my hair, to seal in that moisture, and I'm just raking it through, making sure I get all the hair strands. Alright, so I went off camera, sectioned my hair. Even though this is all going to go back, I wanted to put this African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisture and Define Curling Cream on my hair. It says it shapes, hydrates, and adds shine to natural coils and curls. So I'm not going to do a twist out. I'm not going to do a wash and go with this product, even though I am going to try it with a twist out probably next week. But I wanted to put my hair up in a protective style this week, and pretty much I have it sectioned off to do that. And I am going to be using this frizz-free drawstring ponytail. It is the Jazz Water texture or curliness, and it's the number 1. I got this from my local beauty supply store. So yeah, I'm just going to take some pressure off of my edges, and then I'm going to pull my hair up and put this on, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts about it. Okay, so I am back and I'm all done up for the day. Got my hair up in my protective style that I just showed you just a minute ago. And I just wanted to come back and do a quick recap of these products. Okay, so I feel like all 3 of these products worked really well with my hair. The curling cream, the leave-in cream, the hydrating leave-in cream, the Moroccan clay and shea butter, the detox heat activating mask. All these products from African Pride. I really like these products. So really quick. So I do have 2 products that I do like the most, and that would be of course, the Detox and Soften Heat Activating Mask. Love, love, love this. My hair, really like this. It purified my hair. My hair felt soft. It felt airy. My scalp felt really good. It felt detoxed, you know. It felt just clean but not stripped. So I definitely recommend that you get this product here, okay? If you don't get anything out of this line, get this product here, because like I've been stressing earlier, your hair needs a good detox, okay? So the other product that I personally will get, again, because my curls was just popping and shining and moisturized and just juicy, okay? That is the curling cream, the Moisturize and Define curling cream. This stuff right here, really good. I want to try this out with a twist out. And I might even try to do a wash and go. You guys know I'm not really a wash and go girl, but the way my curls was popping with just this, with no gel, I really want to see how my hair would respond in a wash and go with this product and a gel. So that's all I have for you today. I am definitely going to leave each one of the products that I used today in the description box. I will have a link in the description box that goes to Amazon if you want to get it from Amazon, or you can go to Target, or you can go to Walmart. I got 2 products from Walmart and I got 1 of the products from Target. Definitely can go check it out there. And again, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I want to welcome all of my new subscribers. You are definitely welcome here. It is nothing but positivity on this channel, okay? So with that being said, always remember to stay focused, keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Okay, just stay focused and keep moving forward. You know what I'm saying? Nobody can steal your shine and no one can steal your thunder. Until the next video, you guys have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.